every student carefully watch the whiteboard. There are some sentences. Actually, yesterday I have sent some sentences for the practice of present simple, present continuous, and present perfect. And I told you in the morning in class that you are to solve that sentences, means you were to convert into passive. Now some sentences are here. So write down the questions in your notebook and solve it. When I convert into in passive, then I will ask question. I want answer from 2, 3 students, 4, 5 students are there. So as you do this, raise your hand. After solving this, raise your hand. So I will ask. First sentence is, who teaches you physics? Everyone listening me, once again raise your hand. If my voice is clear, audio and video both are clear, then raise your hand very fast. Okay, good. Okay, first sentence is, who teaches you physics? Who will give the answer? Okay, one student. Yes, Lakshay.
Physics is taught by whom? Physics is taught by whom?
Repeat. Lakshay, what is object in this sentence? Lakshay, what is object in this sentence? Whenever or whatever you want to go for passive, you are to search out, you are to find out the correct object. If you are not able to find out correct object, so your passive will not be correct. Be careful about this. What I taught in my initial classes of active passive, how we will recognize, how we will find the object. I told you. Any other one will tell me object? Any other student? Okay. Yes, that's it. What will be the object in this sentence? That's it. Are you there or not?
Yes, sir.
What is the object? Who teaches
Sir,
physics? What is the object?
Sir, physics.
Physics. Okay. Just listen, every student. It means you are not careful in your class. What I taught in my initial class of this active passive, that how will you recognize object? Okay. Person or thing. Listen carefully again. Person or thing which comes after the verb. Okay. That is object. Suppose sometimes you get more than one object, then what you have to do? You have to find out the verb. So what is verb in this? It is. And after verb, what is this? This is object. So how we will make the sentence? Let me correct the sentence. Who will become by whom? Okay. And this sentence belongs to which tense? Anybody will let me know. Anybody will tell me? The who teaches you physics is the sentence of which tense? Yes, Kaushik.
Simple present.
Yes.
Present simple.
Present simple. Very good. Then what will be the helping verb? Helping verb क्या होगा?
Sir, in this helping verb will be is.
Sorry?
By whom is physics taught to you?
Is आएगा बेटा. Very good. Any other one? Object के अनुसार ही जाता है ना बेटा. We will take the helping verb according to object, and object is you. Then how is will come? Is कैसे आएगा? Listen carefully once again. It means you are not proper paying attention in your class. By whom? What is the object? You. You will remain you. And what will come with you? You के साथ क्या आएगा? Is, are or am? So are will come. So by whom are you? The third form of verb, taught. By whom are you taught? Physics. This is the passive. Students are not taking care. 8th class students are more active than 9th or 10th. Today, the same exercise I have given to them also, and they have done frequently. Very nice students they are. You are not giving, you are also nice students, but you are not giving attention to the class. Now, second sentence. Does the gardener water the plant? Does the gardener water the plant? Solve and let me know. As you solve the question, then raise your hand. It is not good thing that you are not taking proper attention in the class. I do not like this actually. Yes. Behave. Behave. Behave.
Yes, sir. So good afternoon.
Yes, beta. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Okay, what is the answer of second question?
Are the
Yes.
plants watered by the gardener? Are the
Very
plants
good.
watered by the gardener? Plants
Very good, beta. Are the plants
watered by the
watered?
gardener?
Very good. By the gardener.
Gardener.
Very good, beta. Very good. इसमें वो ये साइन लगाऊं क्या? Interrogative sign should be there or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, very good, beta. Very good, very good. अब कुछ अच्छा लग रहा है ना? If I get the answer also, then I become happy and तो पढ़ाने का मेरा उत्साह है. My enthusiasm become double. Okay, now third sentence. What is Veena doing? Who will give the answer of third sentence? What is Veena doing? Kaushik.
What is being done by Vinu?
Huh?
What
Yes, Kaushik,
is
repeat the answer.
what
What?
is being done by Vinu?
Being
Done
done.
by Vinu.
Very good.
By
By
Vinu.
Veena. Very good. Yes, or that question mark will be there or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good, very good. Good. Okay, now very nice. I feel very good. Okay, fourth sentence is there. My father sends him 500 rupees every month. Who will solve this question? Solve and raise your hand. My father sends him 500 rupees every month.
500 rupees are sent by my father to him every month.
Huh?
Sir, answer is
Beta,
500.
very good, beta. What is the object according to you in this sentence? What is the object?
Hello.
Beta. What is the object?
Sir, in this object is 500 rupees.
Beta, what I told you, how we will find the object after verb. Okay, after verb, object will be there. Got it? Getting my words? Now make the sentence.
Sir, answer is 500 rupees are sent by my father to him every month.
Beta, what I am saying, listen me carefully. Change your object. Object is him. इस सेंटेंस में ऑब्जेक्ट जो है हिम है बेटा. What I told you about object, how we will find the object? Verb के बाद में जो person और thing होगा, that will be object. After verb, just after the verb, person or thing, that will be object. Object क्या है इसमें? Him. Got it बेटा? Now listen carefully, everyone. Okay. So him, then it will become he. Him क्या बन जाएगा? जब इसे ऑब्जेक्ट के तौर पे लाएंगे तो it will become he. And this sentence belongs to present simple. Then he is. Then third form of verb, sent. He is sent now 500 rupees. 500 rupees every month by my father. Everyone listen carefully and look at the board also. The question is, my father sends him 500 rupees every month. Okay. Now, this is subject, this is verb and this is object. वर्ब के बाद में जो ऑब्जेक्ट है इससे ही ऑब्जेक्ट लेंगे. मैं फिर बता देता हूँ, यदि किसी सेंटेंस में इफ देयर आर मोर देन वन वर्ब one object, then we are to take the object which is first after the verb. जो verb के बाद में पहला है, चाहे वो व्यक्ति है चाहे वस्तु है, वही ऑब्जेक्ट होगा, उससे ही हमें आगे लाने होगा. Now, what is the question? My father sends him 500 rupees every month. Now, answer is he is sent 500 rupees every month by my father. ये बन गया आपका पैसे. Got it, everyone? Okay. Now, fifth sentence. She has lent me 20 rupees. Who will give the answer of fifth sentence? Okay. Parth.
Good morning,
Yes,
sir.
Parth. Good morning, beta. How are you?
Answer is I am lent 20 rupees by her.
Repeat the answer, beta.
I am lent 20 rupees by her.
Parth, see the question properly. She has lent me. See the question, beta. What are you doing? Parth, where are you? See the question. She has lent me. She has means the sentence belongs to present perfect. And you are applying helping the tense. How it will be possible? Any other student? It is not good thing. ये सब पढ़ा है तुम लोगों ने? Yes, Ram.
Good afternoon, sir.
No, now.
Sir, sir, the answer is 20 rupees has been lent to me by her.
अरे इसमें ऑब्जेक्ट क्या है बेटा? ऑब्जेक्ट के लिए मैं सबको बता रहा हूँ बेटा, सबको आई एम टेलिंग. ऑब्जेक्ट वर्ब के बाद में सबसे पहले फर्स्ट आउट द वर्ब. वर्ब के एंड में लेंथ के बाद में क्या है? मी. व्हाट विल बी द ऑब्जेक्ट? मी को आगे ले जाएंगे. व्हाट इट विल बिकम? आई. You are not paying attention in the class. Okay, let me write the answer. Okay, this sentence belongs to present perfect. Present perfect means has or have, na? And this is verb and this is object. Object me को हम आगे लाएंगे. Then it will become I. I then have. I have. Okay. Then third form. I have lent 20 rupees. Okay, have है तो फिर been भी आएगा. I have been. I have been lent 20 rupees. I have been lent 20 rupees by her. This is passive. Listen carefully. What is the question? He has lent me 20 rupees. Answer is I have been lent 20 rupees by her. Getting now last question. How has he done it? Who will give the answer? How has he done it?
Good morning. Good evening,
How
sir.
has
Good afternoon.
Good
afternoon, sir.
afternoon. Yes.
Sir, by
Yes,
whom
sir.
this has been done?
By whom?
By whom this has been done?
Think before speaking.
By whom this has been done?
बेटा 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 ये हाउ है, हु नहीं है, हाउ है, HOW एकदम क्लियर
Sir,
दिखाई दे रहा है।
whom? Sir, whom?
अरे बेटा हुम तो हु में लगेगा। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखो बोर्ड पे, हु है उसका बाय हुम बनेगा, हाउ विल रिमेन हाउ, हाउ तो हाउ रहेगा। एनी अदर स्टूडेंट? कौशिक, कौशिक इज देयर? नो, यस 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 कौशिक।
Sir, how this has been done by him?
हाउ?
This has been done by him.
Very good, Kौशिक, very good, very good. How? Let me write the answer. Speak out. How?
This has been.
It. ये this है जो this में ये it है तो it हो जाएगा how it
Has
had been done by him. ये है ना, सही बन जाएगा and interrogative and this is passive है ना. How has he done it? How it has been done by him. What is the answer? How it has been done by him.
Yes.
Very good, very good. What's the name? Koushik. Yes, good, very good, very good. Okay, yeah, everyone is attending the class, and I think the students who are in 10th class, they have attended this thing also. When they were in 9th class, I taught these all things to them. I think they are not paying attention. They are enjoying lockdown more than study. Eh? Or here we are putting our effort like anything. And you are not giving attention to the class. It is not good thing. Today also, I am going ahead. And now I am teaching today the passives of past. Past means past, simple, continuous, and perfect. So by the evening, you will get again some exercise that you have to do. And tomorrow, I will ask some more questions like this. Ready for this? Because I also want to see that, okay, how hard effort we are doing, you are getting the same or not. But some students are not replying, that I do not like. You know? Okay, now we are going ahead. It is past simple. Past simple. Okay? Here we are doing the active passive. Active and passive. है ना? हम active passive complete कर रहे हैं. So first sentence from past simple, and the formula is object plus was and were plus third form of verb, then by plus subject. This is the formula. Students, just you have to recognize the sentence before doing. Okay? As you will be able to recognize the sentence, you will get the answer proper. Now, this is the formula: object plus was, plus verb plus by plus subject. Now, one example: my mother made tea. Active sentence. This is verb, and after verb, object. Many students, they are not still getting. So how we will find the object? Object always after the verb. Is there any person or is there any thing? Doesn't matter. That is object. Object is he. He was. I think of it was. He was made. This is यहाँ second form है, but here it is third form. He was made by my mother. It is passive. Look at the board carefully. Past simple is there. Object plus was, were plus verb plus by plus subject. And example I have given, my mother made tea. And the answer is tea was made by my mother. Write down in your copy. I think you are not writing. Whatever I am saying, I am giving time to write also. You are not writing. If you write, then there will not be any chance of mistake. But today, 2-3 students, they are making mistakes now. It means they are not writing. Write down properly so it will become notes in your copy. And 10th class students, they have earlier also. If you as well copy carefully, then you can see from that also. Because these all things I have taught you in 9th class. Okay. If you have written, then we will go for the 6 or 7 most important sentences. Now, these are here. First sentence, positive. I ate food. Okay, active sentence. So this is verb, and after verb this is object. If you find more than one object, then what you have to choose? The object which just comes after verb, that will be main object. You know? Okay, I ate food, then answer will be food was. According to food, what will come? Food was third form, eaten by me. This is active. I ate food. Now the answer will be food was eaten by me. Got it? Now second. This is positive, and now negative. I did not eat food. Active sentence. And negative. Now negative, then object is food, then was, helping verb, then not. Food was not third form of verb. Food was not eaten by me. Active. Write down, everyone. Write down. Did you know it's sign of past simple? It denotes to past simple, and second form also denotes to past simple. So by this you will recognize the sentence. Write down, then we'll go ahead. Good. Now next two sentences. Yes. Who is there? Yes, Taufik.
सर
Yes,
आप
बेटा.
जो बोर्ड पे सेंटेंसेस करा रहे हो वो हमें फेयर कॉपी में करने हैं या रफ कॉपी में?
बेटा, the copy which is available, जो भी available हो उसमें कर लीजिए. And school will open, that time we will see. है ना? अभी जो भी आपके पास अवेलेबल है उसमें कर लीजिए. फेयर है तो अच्छा रहेगा, आगे दोबारा करना नहीं पड़ेगा ना. क्या फेयर कॉपी, then write down in फेयर कॉपी. Okay. Okay. Now third question, third sentence, interrogative. Did I eat food? Interrogative sentence. Answer. What will be the answer? Suppose the interrogative sentence is there, then helping verb will come first. Helping verb. What is the helping verb? Always comes according to object. And object is food. Food. Then helping verb will come before the food. Helping verb was. Was food. Then third form of verb. Was food eaten by me. This is active and this is active. Did I eat food? The answer will be was food eaten by me. Now fourth sentence. Did I not eat food? Interrogative active sentence. With negative sentence, the same thing will be there. Was food not. What will come? Eaten. Was food not eaten by me? This is passive. Getting write down this. Very fast write down. Then we will go ahead. Okay. Now the next three important sentence. Do it very fast, students, because today I want to complete the past simple, continuous, and perfect also. Now, fifth sentence, WH interrogative. Why did I eat food? Interrogative sentence. So answer will be interrogative, word will be interrogative. Why का why रहेगा. Again, I am going to clear that who. यदि who है WHO, then it will become by whom. Rest all will remain same. Who का by whom बनेगा. बाकी सब वैसे के वैसे. Why? Then helping verb was. Then object food. Why was food? Now third form eaten. Why was food eaten by me? Interrogative sign and passive. Look at the board. Why did I eat food? Then answer is why was food eaten by me? And the sixth sentence, negative, interrogative plus, WS interrogative plus negative. Why did I not? Why did I not eat food? Active sentence, interrogative. Why did I not eat food? Answer will be that. Why? Why will remain same. Then helping verb was. Then object food. Then negative word not. Then third form of verb. Why was food not eaten by me? This is passive. Look at the board, everyone carefully, and write down this. Two type of sentences are there: WS interrogative plus WS negative. Why did I eat food? The answer is why was food eaten by me? And next, why did I not eat food? The answer is why was food not eaten by me? Write down these sentences, then we will go on last 7 sentence and most important sentence. Listen everyone. Nice, very nice, everyone, very nice. Good. Now, the sentence of WHO, who. Seventh sentence. Who ate food? Interrogative, active sentence. Who ate food? Now, what will be the answer? Who will become by whom? Okay. Now, after by whom, because it is interrogative sentence, the helping verb will come. Helping verb was. How was it? How we have taken was here? Because object is food. Object is food. So according to food, was is there. By whom was food? Now third form eaten. This is interrogative sign and passive. The sentence is who ate food. The answer is by whom was food eaten. Got it, everyone? Very nice. Good. Write down this. Then we will go on past continuous. Okay, now we will go on past continuous. Past continuous में चलते हैं फटाफट. हमें आज past परफेक्ट भी करना है students. So be careful now. Become attentive in the class. Okay, past continuous. Past continuous formalize object plus was and were plus being, because being denotes to continuous. Object was were plus being plus third form of verb plus by plus subject. This is the formula of past continuous. Example: my mother was making tea. Active formula. My mother was making tea. Answer: P was, according to formula, according to object. Then being, P was being, third form, made by my mother. That's it. Write down, everyone. This is the formula of past continuous: object plus was plus were plus being. Then third form of verbs is by and subject. Example I have written: my mother was making tea. The answer: tea was being made by my mother. Now what you are to do? You are to make that 7 sentences yourself. Now in homework में आपको देखो जो 7 sentences अब तक मैं बनाता आ रहा हूँ, that you have to make active and passive. उसके active भी आपको बनाने हैं और passive भी आपको बनाने हैं. Getting? This is homework. Past continuous, present, past simple के मैंने बना दिए. I have made the 7 sentences of past simple. Like that, you have to make the 7 sentences of past continuous also. Getting me? Active also you have to make. First you have to make the active, then passive according to the past simple. इसमें से उठाना कि पहले positive, फिर negative, फिर interrogative plus negative, then WH interrogative, then WH interrogative plus negative, then the sentence which starts with who. Get it? Very good, very good. Now we are going for perfect. अब हम perfect की तरफ चलते हैं. Listen everybody carefully and write down with me. मेरे साथ साथ लिख लीजिए. Past perfect. Then formula is object plus had. After had आता है. Then being plus third form of verb plus by plus subject. This is the formula of past perfect. Now, example: my mother had made tea. Active sentence. Sentence is: my mother had made tea. Now, tea. Object. Object is tea. Then had. इसमें सिर्फ had है तो had ही आएगा. और been. He had been. Then third form of verb made. Had, have और had का जो question है उसमें third form already होती है. So there is no need to worry. Write down the same. He had been made by my mother. This is active. I think everybody has written. Write down this. Now the same thing is that you are to make that 7 sentences yourself. Active also and passive also. So what is the homework of today's students? Is the 7 sentences of past continuous and past perfect. You have to make active also and passive also. And by the evening, listen carefully, by the evening I will send some more exercises which will be discussed tomorrow. जो exercise आज मैं भेजने वाला हूँ वो आपको करनी है. You have to do those exercises. Then we will discuss some sentences from those exercises tomorrow also. Now write down this, and if there is any doubt, then raise your hand. No one is there? Huh? Mahika. Any other student who has a doubt? Then raise the hand. Mahika. Yes, Mahika. Yes, beta. Yes, beta. What do you want to ask? Speak out. So, students, I think there is no any doubt or no any problem. So, what you have to do, you have to make the 7 sentences of past continuous as well as past perfect, and some more exercise will be sent to you by the evening. Those also you have to do, because those exercises will be discussed by tomorrow. So today we are going to sum up the class. Thank you very much for the day. Have a nice day. Do take care.